In this section, we're going to discuss some methods you can use in dealing with tough customers. I'm Pam Unruh on behalf of Expert Village. As an employer asking your employees to provide great customer service, it's also important that you're committed to providing them the tools that they can use in order to make sure that that happens. Now, if you have employees that you've hired who are inexperienced with dealing with customers, in call centers we hired a lot of high school students or people who have just graduated from high school. Again, not a long career record behind them. A lot of times they just haven't practiced with the skills that are needed that you may expect them to use in order to provide great customer service. Now, this is where education comes in. You can utilize several different programs, whether you have a formal training class for your employees on customer service, or just a matter of getting together once a week or bi-weekly just to do some role playing and have them discuss what they found worked for them. Again, if you have an employee who perhaps just got out of high school, maybe they're more familiar with using more informal vernacular with their friends. And they may not realize that in a professional environment, it just doesn't quite work with customers. You can teach them these tactics. Go over role-playing exercises. Again, when you find them saying something perhaps inappropriate on the phone or not very professional, just point out. Always start with a positive. Say, you sound very friendly with the customer, but you might want to consider rephrasing what you just said to the customer this way. So show them guidance. Be committed to education. Be sure that if you're asking your employees to provide this great customer service, you're also giving them the education and the tools necessary to complete it the way that you want it done.